This is an example of a virtual reality experiment where students enter an interactive virtual world. It's an immersive experience that revolutionizes learning. Some of its key features are unlimited replayability, easy integration into LMS, safe and cost-effective experiments.
Hey, welcome to the VR Chemistry Lab. Let's dive into the experiments. Today, we will be experimenting to make ethanol from ethanol. As the first step, take the salt picker and collect salt granules from the bottle. Perfect. Add the collected granules to the pear-shaped flask. All right. Now it's time for the next step, adding acidified sodium dichromate. We made this cool orange stuff by mixing 1.7 grams of sodium dichromate with a 20 centimeter cube of 2 moles per decimeter cube of sulfuric acid. After that, we waited for it to cool down before using it in our experiment. And you can use a funnel to pour it safely into the pear-shaped flask. Now you can add the sodium dichromate collected in the test tube. Perfect. Next up, add a 1 centimeter cube of ethanol. You can use a pipette for collection. And, just remember, take off the funnel before adding the ethanol. All right. Now add the ethanol you collected to the mixture. Drop by drop. Look closely. The color will change from orange to dark green as you do it. Perfect. Now let's bring the mix to the main setup, the distillation apparatus. Attach our pear flask and start heating it up. Keep boiling the mixture. We want it to turn into vapor. Yeah, the liquid which is formed inside the conical flask is our ethanol, so thank you. See you in the next class. Bye.
Our solutions support both VR devices and web browsers, ensuring accessibility for all students. We can provide similar immersive learning experiences tailored to your educational needs. Contact us to explore the possibilities.